If Nigerian fried rice is on your festive season menu, it should. Come closer, come closer. I have a secret to share with you on how you can prepare this yummy fried rice in the shortest amount of time this season. You don't want to sleep in the kitchen on that day, do you? Here are the ingredients you will need. The rice, hot chicken, oil, carrots, pepper, sweet corn, green peas, seasoning cubes, hot dogs, onions, curry powder, and thyme. My method is to pre-cook my rice. That way, you will not be eating concrete in the name of fried rice. I cook the chicken with these seasonings. After about 7 minutes, I pour out the rice and quickly cool it down with water. I blanch the diced carrots, and prepare the other ingredients. This one is just a pressure pot ritual, so don't mind it if you are using a normal pot. I grill or broil the chicken in the oven. You can also deep fry it. Sieve the chicken stock to make your fried rice clean and posh. Add the curry powder and the pre-cooked rice. Cook till the water dries up. Keep an eye on it. Don't forget yourself on social media so it does not burn. You don't want your village people to start referring to you as that one that burns food. Remember, they will all be watching and judging you this season. Transfer to another container and let it cool down completely. Then fry, starting with the onions, hot dogs, carrots and sweet corn, green peas, peppers, and click the like button. Yes, so clicking the like button is the main secret ingredient that will make yours taste delicious that day. Have you liked this video yet? Have you? No? You want your village people to laugh at you this season. Okay. Oh. Once the ingredients have received a good fry, add the rice. Fry till every grain of rice gets a good fry. Add salt if necessary. You can also add more curry powder at this time if it is not popping to your liking. With this recipe, I hereby declare my YouTube kitchen closed for the year. Serve with the grilled, broiled, or fried chicken. Click the box on the right to watch me prepare Nigerian fried rice with only 5 ingredients. May you all have a great festive season. Bye bye. See you soon.